Assalamu alaikum. My name is Renayab, and today my research article topic is the effect of COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown on lifestyle and mental health of students, and it is based on the only Karachi, Pakistan students. First, we should know that what COVID is and what are the impact of it. As due to COVID, the lockdown have been imposed to all over the world, and Pakistan is one of these countries. The government have been announced the lockdown, and this may really impact on the young adult mental health and psychological problem as well. According to the China study, the most ratio, like 82% participants have been reported the most social media usage, and they have the more anxiety levels. What are the main objectives of this study while conducting this experiment to know more about the lifestyle of the young adulthood? So it is the sleeping pattern, that how much it change during the lockdown, and the perception of their time flow, that how is it going while staying at home all the time. Digital media usage, as we have known that online classes have been conducted in lockdown, especially with the higher studies students and higher secondary students and the university going students. So it may be in the higher rate of the social media or digital media usage. And what are the relationship of their emotional beings and with their families as well. What are the changes behavior and their lifestyles. So while conducting this method, this research, there are some restricted method of this study to conduct this experiment. Of course, it cannot be done by the face-to-face research, and they had been done the online survey across sectional study method, and it has also the age restricted, like 14 to 24, who most are going the higher secondary school, or maybe they are going the university going students. The extensive literature, like what we have, the questionnaire have been designed for collecting the data. So it is the first, of course, social demographic, to know about the age and the gender, of course, that which gender have more lifestyle issues or mental health problems, and of course the education level as well. The second is to focus to know more about the perception of their time, and the next is their sleeping patterns during the lockdown, the usage of the digital media, as I have said that online classes have been done or conducted during the lockdown, so it can be really impact on their life, the digital media. And the final is mental health. So this could be check the impact of change time and air and the awareness of it. We are going through the result of it, that what are the ratio of it, and then we will discuss in detail in the discussion section. First is social demographic. The most people, like female, have been participated in this study. The next is mental health and change in sleep pattern, like most of the people have trouble in sleeping pattern and also have the mental health problem. The next is mental health and digital media usage. So many people have been reported that digital media and electronic gadgets, of course, have been really useful in lockdown. Otherwise it would be really difficult to spend all the time staying at home. Next is mental health and the perception of time flow. So 69.7% have been said that the time was flowing so much fast, as maybe they are spending time social media, maybe they are sleeping more, or maybe they have some hobbies or unmotivated life as well. So that's why they can say that the time was going fast, as they don't have any particular or restricted routine. The next is sleep pattern and digital media usage. So these both factors have been increased in the lockdown, that electronic media usage and the longer period of sleep. The next is perception of time flow and change in sleep pattern. So the 69.7, like most of the people have been said that, as I have say that time was really flowing so fast or going so fast, and it may really impact on their sleeping pattern as well. Next is social demographic and change in sleep pattern. So most of the people like may have been reported that they have the longer period of sleeping pattern in the lockdown. Next is social demographic factor and mental health. So most of the female have been reported that they have more mental health problem. Maybe they are in procrastination, unmotivated life, and don't have a physical activity as well, or maybe they stuck in home chores all the time, of course. So it may be really impact on their mental health as well. Next is perception of time flow and the digital media usage. So it both have been the significance level that the time was also really going fast, and the digital media have been the high rate of the usage of the time social media. So it is also the significant relationship. So now we are moving to the discussion to know more about the significance and insignificant differences which have been prominent by the studies and previous studies as well. So as previous studies show that due to lockdown, mental health problems like depression, anxiety, stress can be increased. The study prominent the significant differences like digital media usage because can be high rate because as the students were taking the online classes, so of course they may have the more social media or electronic gadget usage high. And this is study self-reported or lack of motivation, tiredness, and frequency getting involved with family conflict. Family conflicts can be the main reason of the mental health issue or change in lifestyle during the lockdown, because everyone have their different behavior, family conflicts and issues, and they had to stay at home all the time. They cannot go anywhere, of course. So they may have the main factor of the students to have a mental health problem, and these all are under comes to the DSM-5 criteria of the mental health problem. Emotional intensity experience in daily events. It can be possible, of course. Everyone have their different family, different backgrounds, different behaviors, and in the family. So of course, due to COVID-19, they have to stay at home all the time, so they may experience the emotional intensity, or if they are not experiencing it, well, maybe they are dreaming, or the negative dreaming frequency can be high. So the students who use social media usage report sleep for long period of time. Of course, it can be the possible because they are using the most social media or for a late time or the late night, of course. So they are sleeping the whole day maybe, or the late they are waking up the late. So it can be the possible reason to the usage of to the high rate of these two factors. The study prominent the insufficient differences like due to lockdown, the bedtime procrastination, like falling to the back and like not sleeping, but we are just on the bed. So it can be insufficient, or the study have been said that the previous study have been said that it is the insufficient because they may have the low quality of sleep. That's why they have a procrastination or bad in bedtime. Limitations. So of course, it could be done by a face-to-face research, and of course this also the main factor is the mental health problem, which can be done by the face-to-face or with the open-ended questions. So it has many restrictions, many limitations. That's why we couldn't have the accurate answer or responses of this study. So what are the limitations is of course the sampling biases, of course the age limits, and the study education level, of course the higher secondary education students and the university going, and mostly reported the university going students. And it was also the cross sectional or of course online method, and it can be possible that many participants did not report it or answer accurately, because on that time many people have received many survey forms, of course. So maybe they just stick on it or mark on it, and they did not take it seriously to know or to tell about their lifestyles and their mental health issues. And as we have discussed it, that the mostly university going have been participated in this study, and that's why we did not have the accurate response of it. To know more about the lifestyle or mental health of the students, we should collect the large sample of during the COVID-19 situation, and their mental health problem as well. So we are come to the conclusion of and the sum up of this study, that mental health issues is due to lockdown is the general problem, of course in the sense that we don't have or we did not have anything to do, or we were just stuck at home all the time. By changing sleeping pattern, of course it was be increased as we have discussed, and social media has been increased by the day, because we have the assignments, we have online classes, and many things we have to do. We had to do it on social media or electronic gadgets, of course. So but they did not experience the insomnia. With the usage of social media, we have discussed all these points. Yeah, but what are the significance of it? They at least know the day and the week of it, because of course most of the people did not know about it, what exactly the day or date of the today. So that was the most significant relation to take online classes during lockdown. At least we know about that was the day and day of today. Further is the large differences between the rate of digital media before and after lockdown were observed, of course, and the psychological issues have been affected after the lockdown, and it would be continue to persist. Of course everyone have their different family backgrounds, and many as we cannot say that all the people have the mental or lifestyle issues. In lifestyle issues have many other factors as well, like family issues, family conflicts, and maybe they did not have a proper networks to do assignments or take online classes, and the financial issues as well. So yeah, they it may have many factors have can be include that people have been experienced, and it really impact on their mental health and of course the physical health as well somehow. So that's why it's really impact not only the youngsters, of course it impacts to all age or group of people during the lockdown. Thank you.